In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use logic in Typeform and why you should consider incorporating it into your forms. Let's dive right in as we explore this powerful feature, which significantly enhances both user experience and data collection efficiency. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Typeform website. So open up your browser and type in www.typeform.com. This is your starting point for accessing all the tools and features that Typeform offers to make your forms more interactive and sophisticated. Once you're on the homepage, turn your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the Login button. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Logging in is a straightforward process and you have a few options. You can choose to enter your email address and password if you have a Typeform account. Alternatively, if you've set up authentication through Google, Microsoft, or similar services, feel free to use those options for quicker access. After entering your credentials, just click the login button and you're in. Now that you've logged in, the next step is to select the type form you wish to add logic to. Once you've opened your chosen type form, navigate to the Logic tab. This is where all the magic happens. It's crucial for building forms that respond intelligently to users' inputs. When you're ready to add logic, look for the Add Logic option and choose Branching from the menu. Branching allows you to define specific conditions based on the responses given by the users. This means you can tailor the journey each respondent takes through your form, making it both dynamic and relevant to their unique answers. To set up these conditions, start by selecting the question you want to base your logic on. Then decide on which answer option will be the trigger for a specific path. This tailoring ensures users only see questions that are pertinent to them, leading to a more engaging experience. Once you've defined your conditions, it's time to determine the actions that follow. You get to decide what happens when a condition is met. This could mean jumping to a different question, hiding irrelevant questions, or even displaying specific content only when needed. These actions keep the user experience streamlined and focused. Now let's talk about why incorporating logic into your type forms is so beneficial. With tailored questions, you can present follow-up questions that are contextually relevant, enhancing the user's journey and ensuring they aren't dealing with unnecessary queries. This not only improves the user experience, but also boosts the quality of data you collect. Respondents are more likely to provide accurate information when they only see questions that apply to them. Moreover, logic in Typeform lets you handle complex branching scenarios with ease, meaning you can manage intricate decision trees without overwhelming yourself or the respondent. By integrating logic into your typeforms, you're creating an intelligent, responsive, and efficient tool that adapts to the needs of each user, ensuring every interaction is meaningful and valuable. So go ahead, try adding logic to your forms today, and experience the difference it makes.